Hello and welcome to my tabletop exercise. I will be discussing the updating decontamination protocols for Bellevue Hospital Center. My name is Michael Maya, my professor is Mr. Grossman, and my school is Metropolitan College of New York. On the agenda, I will be introducing what is involved for this exercise, describing what is set in this exercise, and asking questions in a hot wash. A tabletop exercise is intended to generate discussion of various issues regarding a hypothetical, simulated emergency. Tabletops can enhance general awareness, validate plans and procedures, rehearse concepts, and/or assess the types of systems needed to guide the prevention, protection, mitigation, response, and recovery from a defined incident. Generally, tabletops aim to facilitate conceptual understanding, identify strengths and areas for improvement, and/or achieve changes in perceptions. A quick introduction. New York Health and Hospitals, Bellevue Hospital Center stakeholders, hospital emergency management, and hospital decontamination emergency response members sponsor this exercise plan. Some exercise members may include an interdisciplinary team. General staff members of Bellevue Hospital Center are granted access to the exercise. All exercise participants may later view the decontamination protocols for Bellevue Hospital Center. The tabletop exercise gives several participants in the organization the information needed to understand and participate more efficiently in events that pertain to a mass casualty, mass fatality, and/or incidences in a hazardous situation. The objective to this tabletop is as follows: to implement new hospital implementation toward new protocol standards. Monitor and provide appropriate patient care during decontamination. Engage participants in the knowledge and skill during the hazmat decontamination role. Provide an opportunity for hospital personnel to practice updated decontamination procedures. Identify areas of the plan and follow up on any recognized gaps. Who are the players involved? NYC Health and Hospitals personnel, including but not limited to doctors, nurses, HERT/decontamination members, FDNY, and FDNY ambulance. So, let's begin with this scenario. December of 2023, at 0900 hours. The New York City subway system had an unknown gas leak from an unknown source in the tunnel system. The gas is spreading, affecting trains running in the path of the gas leak. Passengers, including children, have been affected by the leak. Emergency services have been dispatched to adjacent stations. EMS load and go has been initiated by giving passengers respiratory priority care. So, with the scenario given, we should question the following. What response, what action would you/your organization take? What are some primary safety concerns for your clients/patients, staff, etc.? Who would you consider reaching out to? What would be the triggers to initiate this step? What other priority action steps in the response? In a hot wash, we should consider the following. 1. Identify the top 3 strengths discovered during this exercise. 2. Identify the top 3 areas for improvement discovered during this exercise. 3. What additional planning efforts or needs were discovered during this exercise? 4. What additional community partners should be included in future planning efforts? Thank you for this exercise. Please feel free to contact the information provided, and thank you again.